In this video, I'm sharing a quick tour on where I stay in Taipei. This hotel is around 10 minutes walk from Taipei Main Station. Here's the reception area. The check-in was smooth and the staff were friendly. On the side is where you can get extra supplies. Now let's take a look at the room. The room is simple and clean. Unfortunately, I don't have footage of the bathroom, but it looks the same as the photos on the booking website. There's a safe, hair dryer, fridge, and kettle. They also provide this very cute small massager. I use this all the time, by the way. Let's go to the snack area. There's ice cream, drinks, coffee, microwave, tea, bottled water, juice, different types of small snacks, and cup noodles, all completely free. This is the lounge area. You can sit here, eat, and relax. Let's go downstairs. There are also two massage chairs. They also have a self-service laundry area. Let's check it out. There's a washer, a dryer, and free detergent to use.